Hi, I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share a little thrift flip, which is basically upcycling of your old things to get a fresh new look. Well, we all have things which are old. By using these simple things, we can regain the old charm and also saves money of buying a new one. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it now. And without any further delay, let's check this out. It's a small bathroom with a frameless mirror above sink. To beautify this mirror, I used these twisted cotton rope. It is 12 mm thick rope. You can easily get it in any hardware shop near you. I fixed this rope around the edges of the mirror with the help of a glue gun. Just make sure it covers around the edges. Once the rope is fixed, I did little organizing on the shelf and on the sink. And it's done. What do you think? Isn't it pretty? Well, I loved it. Next is this red table lamp. To upgrade it, I first painted it white. It took 2 coats of paint for a uniform look. I let it dry overnight. For the lampshade, I use this old cloth which has little pattern on it. You can also use some floral prints or something else that you already have with you or that you like. I wanted just little texture on lampshade, so I used this one. I folded the extra cloth inside and sticked it using Fevikwik. Then I put a tape around the edges to get a more uniform and defined look. Now the lampshade is done. For the base, I used this golden acrylic color and dabbed it on lamp base using a plastic. Remember how it was?
that turned out absolutely stunning.